Axxegen say, tune into Dancehall Skilla, hottest vlogs and the sickest streams. Mad, Dancehall Skilla.
Bless up Axxegen, bless up, you see it? Yeah, my people, so, my people, I want you to go over to a YouTube channel or to go and check out a song on YouTube that goes by the title Too Much Murder, that had been done by the musician who goes by the name of Axxegen. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video, and when you click the link, that link will take you to the song or the music video on YouTube that goes by the title Too Much Murder, that had been done by Axxegen. Positive song, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, so check it out and make him know I'm missing you. Alright now my people, so may I have certain things I want to talk to you about. First up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a cup, and you can see certain things inside of the cup or certain things that was inside of the cup. However, in the video you can hear when a person said the word pill more than one times. And I want to listen to the words that the person said in this video and tell me what to think about what the person said. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe. Tell me what you think.
No, people, this serious. Watch out. Watch out. What do you mean by me not to call on name?
What we say?
Look.
Get in a trouble.
Me if you get in a trouble, then don't get in a trouble.
Don't call no name.
Look here.
Listen.
My mother go buy one metformin pill, and she take the pill, and guess what happen? She pass it out back. So she put one of them in one cup to backside.
Because you look, they say, oh, this a pill look so different.
She put it in a cup, you know, and watch her. From Friday,
me put it in a cup.
You want to tell me say this a pill? What kind of this?
From Friday, me
put it in Desolve. What kind of this? Eh? You know, she kill them and kill half people. She take it and she pass it out back in her feces. So she decides that she go put one in our water, see if it go dissolve and watch her. No wicked distance here. It's a metformin pill she buy now.
Friday.
Mirrors.
From Friday, me already take
how much of them take?
Pack.
One packet already?
And some.
Already?
Yeah.
Are them one here?
Wow.
Mirrors. So that's why you don't feel good. Hey.
My people, I'm going to be real with you still, you know. It's when me hear someone say certain things about a pill or so forth, them things they kind of scare me, you know, because anyone can get sick or anyone might need medication at any time, of your subscribers, and then to know that you have knockoff this and knockoff that out there, as so some people might say, you know, fake products and them things are kind of scary. I'm not able to confirm the words that the person said in that video to be accurate or not or what, you understand me, but based on what me hear the person I say, I'm thinking. You understand me? Yeah, I'm thinking. So my people, that video has been talked about on social media. I'm going to present it to you so that you can take a look at the video and tell me what you think. Alright, so on to another topic now, viewers and subscribers. See? I saw a video that shows quite a number of persons working together in order to pull a motor vehicle that went off the road back on the road. See? So I got the understanding that a motor vehicle somehow went off the road somewhere out there. And a type of chain along with at least one rope and probably other thing or things was somewhat tied onto the motor vehicle or attached to the motor vehicle. And then there was a truck there that was being driven by someone along with quite a number of persons worked together in order to pull the motor vehicle back on the road, in a viewers and subscribers. See, based on some comments that I saw on social media, I got the understanding that there are some persons who agree with what those persons had done, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, you ever hear a thing with them say unity is strength? May I tell you. So here I'm going to present this video to you, and I want you to tell me what you think about this video as well, viewers and subscribers. Please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Now, me know so when it comes on to a situation like that, you know, you have some officials and some persons might say leave a situation like that to professionals like firefighters or people who drive and work on with records and them thing. They understand me? Me understand that. You see me I say, but me see a lot of positive comments on social media about that video and the situation. I also saw another video in the viewing subscribers. Oh, and before we move on to another topic, I want you to look carefully at this part of the video. You can see a chain. See me I say? And if you look at another part of the video, you can see the back of a truck or a motor vehicle. You understand me, my people? I want to tell me what I think about this video and the situation. Alright, now another topic now, my people. See? Now, I got the understanding that there are some bus drivers within the country of Jamaica who disagree with the amount of money that they are getting for the job that they do. And the reason why I said some bus drivers, viewers and subscribers, is because you have bus drivers who drive for company like a JUTC, different from a bus driver who will drive for probably a school or for a person privately or so on. See? And please bear in mind that there is more to this whole situation than what I just said. But people, I don't think I really need to explain everything about this situation, because I'm going to present 2 pieces of audios to you, my viewers and subscribers, and these audios are voice notes. I want you to listen carefully to the words that have been said in these voice notes. Listen and observe, my people. Listen.
Blessings, my family. Yeah, man. Hear me, I say, no? We don't see what go on, you know. We don't need no eyes and no ears, and we don't want nobody for sure with nothing more, you know, brother. Them people and respect we as drivers, you know, my friend. It's like them have we as some yard slave or some field slave. You understand what I mean? To me see it right now, brother. Watch on, man. Every man is sick tomorrow, you know. Every man and them picnic, you know, are sick from morning. When I say from morning, mean from morning till night. I hear me, I say, no, man, we are going to run patrol, you know. And you see, any man will come out and feel like say them bad enough to go drive out a bus tomorrow morning. Remember me tell you, no, man, when I go talk to someone, yeah? Remember me tell you, because watch on, God, I don't know me about up in a brother. System me about up in a my friend. Really and truly, you know, God. Because I like we lost the rebelness there in a way, you know, my friend. And them people no realize that we have a voice, my youth. And we are the most important people in another company, you know, brother. And we are bringing the income, and we are going to drive bus, brother. The people that on the grounds and work, brother, them are clean up a bus, them are the most important thing about your bad man. And some people just sit down in some office and them are collect all their money, brother. That don't make no sense, brother. You understand what I mean? So tomorrow morning, definitely, brother, from morning till night, no bus now drive a Spanish town. You understand what I mean? And you see, if them not come to we and come talk to we and show we something, brother, because watch out, nobody ever come out and come explain to we and say, watch out, show we the grade them and tell we, oh, where get that money or what, brother. No bus now left Spanish town tomorrow. You understand what I mean? From morning till night. You understand what I mean?
Well, people, listen here. Listen again, one more, yeah, so listen. Alright.
Brethren, we all have to take a stand for this, you know. We all have to take a stand for this, and one man can't do it, nor 2 man, nor 5 man can't do it. Everybody have to come together and do something, brother. This can't work, everybody marry. What to we can't marry to like everybody. Bus wash will just come and get too much money. For them retro. What to we? We did a long time. We is nobody better.
Listen.
Yo, we all have to take a stand to this, brother. They can't work. It cannot work. So hold on. I did $100,000 then. Them in the plan we give it then. And so them take it back none, so we don't have none to get. This can't work, man. This can't work. And them don't give you 100,000 either. 85 and 90,000 then give it. Because after then taxi come to that and then them put up on paper, say them I take back 100 in full. Where them don't give you 100,000, brother. This a robbery, highway robbery. This need to go up on social media. This needs to call Cliff Hughes and make Cliff Hughes talk about it. It can't go so, brother. All me know say me nah move not even. Me just want to know say me sign. Me nah move a bus. No matter where them say they can sign me up back. This have to go viral, brother. Can't work. Everybody get money. Want to we, everybody marry. Achieve them a one achieve them a $1.1 million then get achieve them 1.1. Gavin then get must about 600,000 or more. So want to we people that we are working as stores at almost 300,000 then get after the 100,000 come on. Want to we and nobody. Yo, we have to take a stand, brother. No, make we know how to do. Yo, me ready right now.
So people, based on what you heard in those two voice notes, what do you think? The other day, the teacher them did a protest and a complaint. See, then me about another set of union or whatever. Now, me I hear about bus drivers in Jamaica and all them things. Yeah, me I tell you, it's rough. I also got information that some type of misleading information have been put out there saying that some bus drivers within the country of Jamaica went on strike because of a certain thing that happened. You know, yeah, I'm going to say a certain thing because I don't really want to mention certain things. So me I say, but based on the information that I got, it is said that some of the bus drivers within the country of Jamaica did not went on strike for that. See, I was told that some of the bus drivers within the country of Jamaica went on strike for something else, viewers and subscribers. So me I say, yeah, me read a news article that mentioned some form of compensation system, viewers and subscribers, and that a certain person gives somewhat of information about the whole situation and all them things. The whole thing kind of mix up in my point of view, viewers and subscribers. Oh, and if you listen to one of those audios that I presented to you carefully, you can hear when the word company had been mentioned in that audio. Who know me I talk about really and truly, because certain things me just can't mention in the video. See, but people, tell me what you think about those audios or those voice notes. You know, tell me what you think about this video overall. You see, yeah, so me I left it still, you know. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.